Okay, so hello, welcome back to a very quick video. This one's obviously a very quick update, just talking about where you can actually pick up Galaxy Next Generation, because a lot of people have been asking me, where can you buy this stock from? Now, of course, tonight we have two different options. I'm just going to be talking about what they are, and of course, here we have a message from our Discord server. Feel free to come and join us on Discord, by the way. But yeah, we're looking at where you can actually buy this stock from. So of course, just to give us a bit of an introduction, this is obviously Galaxy Next Generation. It's a very, I don't even know what to call it, a very volatile, let's say, penny stock. If we do have a quick look over the past 5 days, we're up about 227%. But yeah, a lot of people can't buy this one, or their brokerage doesn't support it or whatnot. So I'm going to be covering two different companies and brokerages which I know do for sure support this one. So of course the first one is called IBKR, so yeah, that is completely correct, and this one does actually offer this service. So I do believe it's called Interactive Brokers, and I am not with this one, and I do not use this one, so I'm not 100% sure as to how it works or whatnot, but that is one which I do believe does offer it. So of course, if you are going to sign up with this one, I do not have experience with it, but I have heard it does work. I'm not sure if this one is offered in America, the United States. I do believe it is, but if it's not, I'm sure there will be other options. So this one is also in many different countries. It is in the United Kingdom, it's in the majority of Europe, I believe it's in Australia as well. Unfortunately, it's not in America and Canada, but it is called Trading 212. So yeah, if you guys already know of this one, it's an application similar to Robinhood in America, or a lot of the other different trading apps. It's very popular over here in the United Kingdom, and I am actually personally with Trading 212. I've invested over 200, maybe even £300 with them. I know it's not too much money, but just to say that I personally do trust them, and that is who I invest with. So yeah, that is a definite source which I can confirm is decent to invest with. So I hope you enjoyed this very quick video talking about where you can pick up Galaxy stock. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, if you did, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.